Hello friends, today I'm at Wilson Point. It's just gone New Year. I decided to skip the New Year crowds this year, but I've come up here to do the sunrise instead. So it's still dark, probably about 4 o'clock in the morning, but it will start getting light very shortly. So I'm going to start heading in towards the city and hopefully catch a good sunrise. So well friends, I've now reached the city and at the Botanical Gardens, and it wasn't a spectacular sunrise, but some of the photography would have come out really amazing. So yeah, it was definitely well worth it this morning. Well, anyway, thanks friends for joining me, and I shall catch you somewhere else next time. Ciao for now.